Hello riders, welcome back to Bike Informers. We bring you the latest news, launches, and in-depth reviews from the world of motorcycles. Today, we dive into one of Honda's most exciting new machines, the 2026 Honda CB1000GT, a grand touring sport machine designed for riders who want superbike performance wrapped in long-distance comfort. This motorcycle marks Honda's return to the premium sport touring category with a stronger engine, advanced electronics, and refined long-ride ergonomics. Design and styling: a touring machine with superbike DNA. The 2026 CB1000GT introduces a striking aerodynamic design inspired by Honda's modern sport lineup. The bodywork is sculpted with sharp lines, an extended touring fairing, and integrated wind-deflecting panels that reduce fatigue during long rides. The aggressive LED headlight design gives the motorcycle a premium and futuristic look, while the extended windshield enhances protection at high speeds. Honda has also added practical elements such as integrated side case mounts, a large passenger seat, and touring-focused ergonomics. The overall stance balances sportiness with the comfort expected from a top-class GT motorcycle. Engine and performance: power for endless highways. Under the fairing, the 2026 CB1000GT is powered by an updated 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, a refined version of Honda's renowned leader-class platform. The motor is tuned to deliver smooth but strong torque across the rev range, making it ideal for both spirited riding and long-distance touring. The power delivery is more linear, with improved fuel mapping and reduced vibrations thanks to new internal components. Whether riding through mountain curves or cruising on open highways, the CB1000GT offers a high level of stability, responsiveness, and effortless acceleration. Transmission and ride modes: technology that adapts to you. Honda equips the CB1000GT with its latest transmission system featuring optimized gear ratios for touring. Multiple ride modes such as Sport, Tour, Rain, and Custom allow the motorcycle to adapt to various riding conditions. Each mode adjusts throttle sensitivity, traction control levels, engine braking, and ABS intervention. The system is intuitive and designed to help riders get the most out of the motorcycle's performance while maintaining maximum safety and comfort. Chassis and handling: confidence in every corner. The 2026 CB1000GT is built on a lightweight aluminum frame engineered for stability and precision. Honda focused on improving the motorcycle's balance for long-distance rides, ensuring predictable handling even when fully loaded with luggage and riding two-up. The suspension setup includes premium components with adjustable front forks and a rear shock optimized for touring. This allows the bike to maintain smooth performance over rough surfaces while offering sharp handling during sporty rides. The long wheelbase adds stability, while the refined geometry provides excellent cornering confidence. Comfort and ergonomics: designed for long hours on the road, touring comfort is a major highlight of the CB1000GT. The riding position has been adjusted to offer a perfect balance between relaxed comfort and sporty control. A wide, cushioned seat, raised handlebars, and optimized footbed placement ensure that riders can cover long distances without fatigue. Honda has also improved the aerodynamics to reduce helmet buffeting and wind noise. The heated grips, large adjustable windshield, and comfortable rear seat make this motorcycle suitable for solo riders as well as long tours with a passenger. Electronics and smart features: Honda's most advanced GT yet. The 2026 CB1000GT comes equipped with a full suite of modern electronic features. A large TFT touchscreen provides navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration. The motorcycle includes traction control, cornering ABS, wheelie control, cruise control, engine brake management, and hill start assist. Honda's latest Touring Assist system offers smoother throttle response and improved low-speed control, especially useful in traffic or while riding fully loaded. The electronics package places the CB1000GT among the most advanced touring motorcycles available. Braking system: power and safety combined. To handle the bike's performance and weight, Honda has fitted powerful braking components. Dual front disc brakes with radial mount calipers provide strong stopping performance, while the rear disc supports controlled slowdown. Combined with cornering ABS and advanced brake force distribution, the system gives riders confidence even under heavy braking or slippery road conditions. Fuel efficiency and range, built for long-distance journeys. Honda has optimized the CB1000GT's engine for improved fuel efficiency, ensuring riders can cover long stretches without frequent stops. The motorcycle features a large touring-grade fuel tank, making it perfect for cross-country rides or extended weekend travel. The efficiency combined with the comfortable seating and advanced aerodynamics makes the 2026 CB1000GT a true long-range touring companion. Luggage and touring accessories, ready for adventure. The 2026 CB1000GT supports Honda's full range of touring accessories, including side panniers, top box, tank bags, and crash protection. The integrated mounts ensure the motorcycle maintains its stability and handling even when fully loaded. Honda's accessory lineup allows riders to customize the CB1000GT for daily commuting, long tours, or weekend explorations. Riding experience: smooth, powerful, and refined. The CB1000GT offers a riding experience that blends sporty power with luxurious comfort. The engine's smooth character, combined with GT-tuned suspension and sophisticated electronics, gives the motorcycle a planted and predictable feel at all speeds. Whether you're carving corners, cruising on highways, or navigating city streets, the 2026 CB1000GT feels composed and effortless. Honda has engineered this motorcycle for riders who want power without sacrificing long-distance comfort. Who is the 2026 CB1000GT for? The CB1000GT is ideal for riders who enjoy sport performance but require touring comfort. This motorcycle suits long-distance touring riders, sport bike fans who want a more comfortable machine, riders who travel with a passenger, daily commuters who want versatility, motorcyclists who want advanced electronics and premium features. The CB1000GT balances practicality with passion, making it a strong option in the sport touring segment. Conclusion: a new benchmark in sport touring. With its powerful engine, refined touring comfort, advanced electronics, and strong Honda engineering, the 2026 CB1000GT stands out as one of the most capable sport touring motorcycles of the year. Honda has successfully created a motorcycle that delivers long-distance capability without sacrificing performance or style. This is the complete review from Bike Informers. Stay connected for more updates, reviews, and upcoming motorcycle launches.